Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to fix an unexpected error occurred on Cash App. Now there are several ways for us to go ahead and fix this. The first one is if you are using 4G or if you're using your mobile data, go ahead and switch to using Wi-Fi instead. Then see if this fixes the problem. Or alternatively, if you are using Wi-Fi, go ahead and switch to your mobile data. So say for example like this, and then go ahead and just use Cash App and see if that fixes the problem. If that doesn't work, let's go ahead and try the other way, which is make sure that you are on the latest version of Cash App itself. Sometimes when there are problems, then they will go ahead and make fixes to this, but you will need to go ahead and update this by going to the Play Store itself, and then just go ahead and search for Cash App itself. Go ahead and click on the app itself, and if it says update rather than open right here, then it means that there are some new fixes that has been added. And finally, if that doesn't work, one thing you can go ahead and do is to go ahead and clear your cache on the app itself. To do that, go on settings, and then we're going to scroll all the way down until we can see the apps right here, and then scroll all the way down once again until you can look for Cash App. So go ahead and open this up. If it is open, just go ahead and click on Force Stop on the bottom right. Click OK, and then we're going to go into storage right here. Go ahead and click on storage, and then click on Clear Cache, and then Clear Data, and then Delete. And then there you go. Go ahead and use the Cash App once again, and hopefully this would have fixed your problem. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.